Hello everyone. We're going to go ahead and use our closed end tube to determine the actual speed of sound on different types of frequencies of tuning forks. So I'll give you your frequency from the tuning fork, and then we'll find the resonance level where you should be able to hear the loudest sound, and then I'll give you the distance for the actual tube, which then you'll need to multiply by 4, because again, on a closed end tube there are actually 1/4 wavelengths showing up inside them. So if you want the actual proper wave, you're going to need to actually multiply it by 4. So let's get to it. We're going to start off with a 256 hertz. I think we've got it. 256 hertz is going to be a quarter wavelength of 15.5 centimeters. 256 hertz, 15.5 centimeters. Next, we'll move on to our 288 hertz. We got it there. Keep that distance. This one, we got a distance of 13.5 hertz, or 13.5 centimeters. 13.5 centimeters for the 288 hertz. Next, we'll move on to 320 hertz. There we go. 320 hertz. A distance of 26.5 centimeters. 320, 26.5 centimeters. Now we got 341.3. 341.3. Looks like we found it. That'll be a length of 23.5 centimeters. 23.5 centimeters for the 341.3. Moving on to 384 hertz. I think we found it there. Pretty loud. Length of the tube, 21 centimeters. 21 centimeters for the 384. Moving on to 426.7. Right there. We've got a length of 19.5 centimeters. 19.5 centimeters for the 426. 480. Definitely right there. 480 length, we'll go 16.7 centimeters. 16.7 centimeters, 480 hertz. One more. Right there. This is your 512 hertz. 512 hertz at 16 centimeters. 16 centimeters. I want to try the first two out one more time. We'll see if they have a double wave a little higher up where I gave it to you. Yep. Right there. Some of these will actually have double locations. So for the 256, you can also try 32 centimeters. Try 32 centimeters for the 256. Might be a little bit better than the original. And one more on the 288. There we go. I think these will be better data for you. 288, new length. 288, new length, 28 centimeters. 28 centimeters, 288. All right, so that should take care of your closed end tubes for getting your wavelengths, and hopefully you get some pretty good speed of sounds with that, and hope that you enjoy watching. All right, take care. Bye-bye.